So hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel Style with Nina. I am actually here to bring you a very quick video on the H M Moschno collab. I purchased some items and they were delivered actually last week, like the day before Thanksgiving they arrived, and I want to just go ahead and show you what I was able to snag. So if you like my video, you like videos like this, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. So let's go ahead and jump into this haul from the H M Moschno from the H M Moschno Jeremy Scott collection. I want to be honest with you guys and tell you I am not a huge H&M shopper. Trying to see what my dog child is looking at. But anyway, I'm not really a big shopper of H&M. For me, their clothes just don't fit my body frame the best, so I kind of tend to, I don't know, steer clear of the H&M. I don't really like fast fashion like that, and if I do, I tend to shop more at Zara just because they tend to knock off a lot of bigger designers items, and hence the stuff is cute. Anyway, so but I love Jeremy Scott. I love Moschno. I love how creative Jeremy Scott is. Let me make sure this is taped because this, okay, so this is how it came. So when you see what's in this box, imagine each item in a box this size or bigger. Just keep that in mind. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with the one item that I really wanted, and it comes in this box here. Can y'all see? I'm trying not to. So this is how it came, you guys. It is the door knocker earrings. What? Shoot, I can put these on right now. Let me put these on now. They're heavy, you guys. Very, very, very heavy. But this is the main thing that I wanted. So I am so happy that I was able to get this. Can you see that? That's cute. So let me go ahead and switch out my earrings. I will say that they are heavy. Like, I can't even get this off. Jeez Louise. Thought this was gonna be quick. I don't know if you can wear these all day. I'm gonna keep them on and see, but they are heavy. So I don't know what material they use. I don't know, but they are heavy. So that's it, you guys. You see them? I love these. I will say, I think these were $39. I'm pretty sure they were around $39 because they were inexpensive in my opinion for some Moschno earrings. $39 or $49, no more than $49, but I'm 90% sure they were $39. Anyway, had I been thinking, I would have picked up more than one. I would have at least bought my daughter a pair and another pair to resell. But I don't like shopping like that. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. My son is a reseller. He resells streetwear clothing, and so he's used to shopping at a frantic like that, and got robots and stuff that I don't like shopping like that. I don't know. It was very, very frantic. I couldn't think well. I was, oh yeah, trying to put the stuff I wanted was sold out. And I'm talking, you guys, this is 8:20 in the morning. Like when it first, whatever the time is, I can't recall, but whatever, it was early in the morning, right when they launched. And stuff was selling out like that. And the site crashed. It was just, it was a lot. So, wasn't thinking, had I been thinking, I would have grabbed more than one pair. But I got my pair, so, you know, listen, it is what it is. So anyway, so that was it. So happy I got that. The second thing I got, so I ordered this, and I ordered a MTV Moschno hat. And if I can find the hat, I'll leave it up in the description box. I mean, not a description box, something, but I'll leave it somewhere here if I can find the picture. But they were sold out. So it's like I placed the order, then I got emails later saying that they couldn't fulfill my order. So I don't like that, because you get me all excited and then, you know, then I can't get the stuff. So anyway, they were sold out of the hat that I ordered with this. So then I went back later, and at this point I was all excited. I just wanted some Moschno stuff. And I got these, which I think are very cute, very streetwear. I ordered the white and the black pair. And of course I got another email saying that the black pair was sold out. So I don't like H&M site for that, because I feel like I've shopped online before and it wasn't even a collab, and you know, you place your order, you think you're done, and then you get an email hours later saying they can't fulfill it. So they got something up with their system. I don't know. Anyway, so I got these socks. These would be really, really cute. Even with what I have on, it's very streetwear. I just got on like a tank dress and a moto jacket. So something like this would be cute with that. And some combat boots, or even some pointy toe heels. Of course the black would look better with this outfit, but I'm just giving you guys ideas. So I believe this was around $14 or $15. So to me, so price wise, some of their items were priced really, really well, like these door knocker earrings, even though they are heavy. And then some stuff was just ridiculous. So I don't know. I don't know how they were pricing. So when I placed my second order, I got this, the black, and then they had this Scully that looked like gloves. So I was excited to get that. And then I got an email saying we can't fulfill your order for the black socks and the Scully hat. So that got on my nerves. So I got this. And then the third thing that I got was a impulse purchase. I don't need it. I don't need none of this stuff. But I just thought it was cute, and as I like to say, budgetto. I mean, you know, let me just show you what it is. Okay, so the third item is this Moschno sleeping mask. So every time I do that, the light changes. I don't know what's up with that. But it's supposed to be all leather. So let's see. Can I open this up? Okay. I wish it would have came in like a case. You know what I'm saying? Like a case for it. Anyway. It's supposed to be leather, you guys. It's feeling... So this part feels like leather. The actual mask part, I don't know. But it's still cute. So I'm on the plane to Paris, and I say, let me be budgetto. And on this 10-hour flight, let me put on my Moschno mask and just lay there and say, I don't want to be bothered with the peasants. I'm on my way to Paris. I'm being real extra, y'all, but I just got this mask. This is the most expensive thing I got, and that's dumb. But this mask was a whopping $49, $50 for this. So that is ridiculous. But I wanted it. I was at the point where I just wanted anything that said Moschno that was from this collection. And I should have did better research. I've learned about the collection, the collaboration, like right when it was about to happen. So I didn't really do a lot of research. So I looked on the website, and some of the stuff was just like, But then when I looked on the app the day of, the stuff looked way better. It was way more enticing. But then the stuff was sold out. So it is what it is. Okay, so the next thing I didn't purchase, but my son did. And that would be this H&M Moschno Disney collaboration. So this is a Goofy sweater. So that's the tag. It says H M Moschno. And then this is the back. Can y'all see? That's the back. And I'm going to show you the front again. Okay. So I want to say that this was probably, I believe this was $129 for this. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, it feels heavy, but it feels cheap. So when I say cheap, it's like knotting up already. Like, I think my son wore this one time. I don't even know if he's worn this out. I think he just tried it. I don't know. But it's really, it's that material that knots, that knots up. You know what I'm talking about? That gets the little, I don't know. Like, let me show you. Can y'all see? I'm going to stand up. You probably can't see it. But it's like already got the little knot things on there. So for $129, I think that is a bit ridiculous for the quality. But it's cute. So I told my son I was going to add his shirt into my haul because that's what mothers do. And it's cute. Like, the print is cute, but the quality of the shirt, I thought that this was going to be a sweatshirt. And it's not. It's actually more of a sweater material. But it's that cheap sweater material that knots up real. Like, if you rub it, you can have it on with something like this. And just these two touching makes it get the little balls on there. So I don't like that. So anywho, that's it for the official H M Moschno collection collaboration with Jeremy Scott. I can't talk. With Jeremy Scott. And then because of this sweater, once I saw that he got it, and it took a good 2 weeks for our stuff to come in. It took forever. So while I was waiting on my items to come in, it came in right before, like the day before Thanksgiving is when our items came in. And keep in mind, like I told you, those 3 small pieces that I got were in its own individual box. That was dumb. But anyway, so because of the Disney Moschno H&M collaboration, it made me want something Disney looking, but I wasn't about to spend $129. Wasn't gonna do that. So what did I get? I got on my site while I do my shoppings, and I found this. Bam! I think that is equally as cute. Y'all see that? Very, very cute. There's nothing on the back, but it's a tie-dye Disneyland Mickey, can y'all see that? Mickey sweatshirt in the sweatshirt material, which is what I thought that one would be. So that's this one. And then let me pull up this one again. So that's one. And that's two. I can't hold them both up. I was trying. So I like this one. I like mine's. I think it's very, very similar. Okay, so this is $129 plus tax. What did I pay for mine's? Who is calling me? Okay, let me cut that off. What did I pay for mine, you guys? $18.99, including shipping. Go away. Did y'all hear me? $18.99, including shipping. All in, $18.99. So, like I said, I got that while we were waiting on our Moschno collection. And then, while I was at the TJ Maxx, and if you saw, so I have a TJ Maxx that's near me that I absolutely love. So I have a couple TJ Maxx's near me that I love, but this one is a TJ Maxx home good store, and it's huge. And they tend to just have more designer items than the other ones. So if you saw my video with me and the Unfrumpy Mommy, you would see my favorite TJ Maxx Home Good video. But again, I was there, not on that video, but on another time, and I was able to pick this up. Can y'all see? I'm trying to see if y'all can see. Can y'all see this? So it's just a Love Moschno shirt, t-shirt, which I thought was cute. I actually got this from the men's section. Y'all know, if y'all follow my channel, y'all know I shop men's. This shirt I got on is a men's shirt. I turned it into a dress. You can't see it, but I shop a lot in the men's section. So this was a men's shirt. It was $39.99, which I know is a great price for this shirt. So yeah. So I got those two because, like I said, I was on a, at that point I was on a, oh my God, I gotta get me a some Moschno stuff. So I may do a full Moschno haul on my channel because I got a couple of more Moschno items that I actually like. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm trying to make it short. And if you do, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I may or may not put in actual pictures of me trying the items on. You see the earrings already. Let me see. Those are cute. Can y'all see that? Very cute. And like I said, this was the main thing that I wanted. They had some other jewelry, but it was like condoms and stuff like that. And you know, I'm all for wearing a condom or whatever, you know, if you need to, as you should. But I don't want no condom earrings or no condom purse. I'm just not at that point in my life. But I'm all for safe sex, so I'm glad, you know, I see why Jeremy Scott did that, and that's why I am a true, I don't want to say fan, but I do love Jeremy Scott's items. So anyway, I'm going to stop rambling. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will be doing a giveaway really soon. It's going to be amazing, you guys. It's going to be coming up in the next few videos. So make sure you're subscribed and make sure you're following me on Instagram at Style with Nina. Make sure you are subscribed to my blog at Style with Nina. So yeah, stay tuned for that as well. All right, I'm signing off. Love you guys. Make sure you stay stylish and make sure you stay fabulous. Until next time, mwah.